Welcome to the Happy Plan, where we empower you to live your best life every day. In today's episode, we're diving into 5 transformative morning rituals that can help you start your day like a CEO. These habits are simple, yet powerful, setting you up for success, productivity, and well-being. And starting with routine 1, hydration. Hydration is key to kickstarting your body's functions. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated, and reaching for a glass of water first thing in the morning can rehydrate you, aid digestion, and revitalize your metabolism. Adding a slice of lemon not only enhances the flavor but also provides a dose of vitamin C and aids in detoxifying your system. For an added boost, try drinking warm water with lemon. This can stimulate your digestive system and help you start the day with a clean slate. Ritual 2, meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for mental clarity and stress management. Spend just 5 to 10 minutes focusing on your breath, allowing yourself to be present in the moment. This practice helps reduce anxiety, improves concentration, and sets a positive tone for the day ahead. If you're new to meditation, start with guided sessions using apps like Headspace or Calm. Even a few minutes can make a significant difference in your mental state throughout the day. Ritual 3, move your body. Physical movement in the morning is essential for waking up your body and mind. Whether it's a gentle stretch, a yoga session, or a brisk walk, exercising in the morning helps release endorphins, which are your body's natural mood lifters. This ritual not only energizes you but also sets a positive tone for the day. If time is short, try a quick 10-minute workout. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, or a few sun salutations can be just as effective in boosting your energy and metabolism. Ritual 4, nourish with a healthy breakfast. A nutritious breakfast is the cornerstone of a productive day. Choose foods that are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats to provide sustained energy. Consider options like oatmeal topped with berries, a green smoothie packed with spinach and chia seeds, or whole grain toast with avocado and eggs. If you're in a rush, meal prep your breakfast the night before. Overnight oats or smoothie packs can save time and ensure you start your day with the right fuel. Ritual 5, plan your day. Planning your day is a ritual that helps you take control of your time and priorities. Spend a few minutes reviewing your to-do list, setting goals, and prioritizing tasks. This practice not only keeps you organized but also reduces the likelihood of feeling overwhelmed by the day's demands. Use the time blocking method to allocate specific time slots for each task. This can help you stay focused and make the most of your day. Incorporate these morning rituals into your daily routine, and watch how they transform your life. Remember, it's the small, consistent habits that lead to significant changes. Start with 1 or 2 rituals and gradually build them into your morning routine. Over time, you'll notice improved focus, reduced stress, and a greater sense of well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to join our wellness community. Share your favorite morning rituals in the comments below. We'd love to hear what works for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.